Hello, my dear friends and subscribers, and welcome to Stick to Growth. Every day we are faced with a choice. Do we start our day with what is easy and comfortable, or do we confront the task we have been avoiding? The Eat the Frog technique is a simple but powerful method that encourages tackling your hardest and most important task first thing in the morning, setting the tone for a more productive day. The idea behind the technique is that if you have to eat a frog, it is best to do it first thing in the morning. In this case, your frog is the task that is most important, impactful, and often the one that generates procrastination. By completing this task first, you eliminate the biggest source of stress and resistance, making the rest of your day easier and clearer. One of the reasons why the Eat the Frog technique works is that it aligns with how the human mind operates. Decision fatigue is lowest in the morning, when focus and willpower are at their peak, making it easier to tackle the task. Procrastination thrives on avoidance, and by facing the task head-on, you eliminate the temptation to put it off. Early success also builds momentum, providing a psychological advantage that carries through the day. To apply the technique, start by identifying your frog sitta, the most important task that will move your work or life forward that day. Make this task specific and measurable to create clarity and eliminate resistance. Schedule time for your frog first thing in the morning, before any distractions arise, and focus on it without interruption until it is complete. Finishing the task completely will deliver a sense of accomplishment and set a positive tone for the day. Common mistakes to avoid when using the Eat the Frog technique include confusing urgent tasks with important ones, starting the day with low-value tasks for a false sense of productivity, and trying to tackle multiple frogs at once, instead of focusing on one at a time. The goal of the technique is not to do everything, but to do the right thing first. Professionals who consistently apply this technique report higher focus, reduced stress, and stronger execution. Over time, it helps to train discipline, sharpen prioritization, and build a habit of decisive action. Tomorrow morning, challenge yourself to adopt the Eat the Frog technique. Identify your frog and eat it first. By prioritizing your most important task, you will set yourself up for a more focused, productive, and successful day. Remember, productivity is not about doing more CDA. It is about doing what matters first. Thanks, and see you next time.